In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of replacing the mirror glass inside the side view mirror on a Kia Sportage. Whether your mirror is cracked, broken, or just needs an upgrade, this guide will help you get it done quickly. Let's get started. For this job, all you need is a trim removal tool like this one. But if you don't have one on hand, you can use a flathead screwdriver. However, be careful when using a screwdriver as it can easily scratch the plastic trim on the mirror housing. Carefully adjust the side view mirror to its maximum inward position. This will expose the edge of the mirror and make it easier to remove. Now gently pry the mirror glass away from the mirror housing. Be cautious to avoid damaging the mirror housing or any electrical components. The mirror is attached with two fixing clips, so it may require a bit of force to pop it out. The best place to pry the glass away is the bottom corner on the outside. Be mindful of the electrical connectors behind the glass. If your Kia Sportage is equipped with heated mirrors, there will be two wires connected to the back of the mirror glass. Now before pulling out these wires, you have two options. To prevent a short circuit, you can either disconnect the negative terminal of the battery under the hood, which is highly recommended, or you can tape the positive wire on the mirror, which I'm going to do. Carefully pull out the positive wire on the right that has a red stripe on it. Then wrap electrical tape around the connector. This will help prevent accidental short circuiting while you work on the mirror. Now disconnect the other wire from the back of the mirror. Remember the position of these wires for reinstallation. Now take your new replacement mirror glass and align it with the mirror housing. If you have a heated mirror, it's time to reconnect the wires to the appropriate terminals on the back of the new mirror. First, connect the solid black wire. Now remove the tape from the red striped wire and then connect it to its terminal. Recheck if the wires are properly connected. Once the wires are securely connected, carefully align the clips on the back of the mirror glass with the mirror housing. Press it firmly until you hear the clips snap into place. Before finishing up, test the new mirror to ensure it's secure and functioning properly. Adjust the mirror using the controls inside the car to make sure it moves smoothly in all directions. Finally, clean the mirror surface with a microfiber cloth to remove any fingerprints or smudges. This will ensure a clear view when driving. And that's how you replace the mirror glass inside the side view mirror of your Kia Sportage. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to WheelsJoint for more DIY car maintenance tutorials. Thanks for watching.